So I'm from RK01 Civil Engineering. My subject is EAT249 Engineering Drawing 2021. So my project title is Mini Project Single Story Lab. So for me, my name is THANNUS KRISNA. My matrix number is 20, 120, 19 and 47. So for me, I gonna present about introduction. So as you all know, civil engineering laboratory is a large space in corporation for all the facility needed for advanced research and teaching purposes. To gain hand-on experience of university students, so we decided to construct a new single-story laboratory, and we decided to design a laboratory.
Construction methodology refers to the planned method of construction taking into account all contractual and legal requirements, construction constraints, risks, and opportunities. Project methodology includes the temporary and permanent works. Flowchart. First, construction drawings refer to part of the production information that is incorporated into tender documentation. Second, excavation refer to the basement excavation. Third, dewatering excavation, second stage of anti-termite. Each refer to removal of groundwater or surface water. Fourth, blending for casting and curing. Fifth one, waterproofing plus grade refers to waterproofing can be done on mother slab or on slope screed. Next, the formwork equipment plus reinforcement casting plus curing. The formwork referring to traditional formwork system are typically constructed on site from timber or plywood and supporting elements like scaffolding. Moreover, the slab formwork was also same, and then the upper roof slab also same formwork, concrete plus curing. Next, activity sequence up to the upper roof. There are two types: curtain wall works. A curtain wall system is an outer covering of a building in which the outer walls. The second type is precast concrete cladding. Finally, external work and landscape.
For now, I'm gonna explain about the explanation of components. These are the 10 main components we used to construct the laboratory. Next, my friend will continue the presentation. Thank you.
Hi guys, I'm JAYARAMAN from group A1. So here I'm going to explain about the layout. So layout is a drawing which is provide the design solution used in preparing other engineering drawings. It's mainly for as a key plan for the building design. So next is layout. This is our layout with the title blocks. There is a legend and legend about partition, brick wall, flooring and tiles, about the windows and other details. And below that we have notes about the doors and specifications, and project title, client which is Unimap, drawn by group A1, and the scale we use is 1:100. And so next, these are the title blocks. And this is our administration office, which is at first position of the building. And there is some drops from the building to the corridor and corridor to the roadside. And next is laboratory, concrete lab, and also geotechnical lab. And there we have a washing bay, a sand bay, and also the roller shutter and normal doors are single leaf doors. And next we go to the elevation. Elevation is which is front, rear and side elevation. It's including with the wall, all visible wall corners, windows and door in exterior wall and roof and also other elements as well. So these are the front view, which is shows about the detail of metal roof, PVC gutter, finishing floor level, road level, door footing and the windows, everything. So next is we go into rear view. The rear view just covered the laboratory side with the roller shutter, solid doors and the gutter downpipe. Next is side elevation view. Here we have can see about windows, emergency door and rainwater harvesting downpipe, gutter discharge pipe, which is and the drainage all. So yeah, that's all guys. And for Q&A section, the first question is about the skill and knowledge from this work. I have improved my skill in AutoCAD, technical drawing elements, and improved the 3D imagination skill, and also has a healthy discussion with my teammates. So I had to improve those skill and knowledge. And for second question, the importance of engineering drawing in the course is like the student will able to read drawing more efficient, and also the measurements and architecture specifications, elements, everything, and can control the material wastage and also any structural and architectural defect at the early stage. So that's all guys, thank you.
Okay, hi sir. I'm Veera Vimallen, son of GORDIAL, and my matric number is 2012019552. Okay, today for my part, I want to present about the structural drawing. Okay, first of all, this is our beam. Okay, our beam structure. This is first of all, I explain. This is a UDL beam, which means uniform distributed load. Okay, the total length of the beam is 20 meter in our actual design. So I convert it to a AutoCAD drawing with 2700 millimeter in AutoCAD drawing. Okay, the length of the beam in AutoCAD drawing. Okay, then the size of the beam is 200 by 300. You can look at the drawing. Okay, the reinforcement or rebar that we use to design this beam is 20 diameter. Okay, the rebar that inside the beam. Okay, and also followed by the link. Okay, that link we use 10 diameter of rebar, and the link space that we give for this beam is 100 millimeter. Okay, it's a standard link space that we give. Okay, next I move to road drawing. Okay, this is our road drawing. Okay, this is called cross section of road pavement. Okay, this is a flexible pavement. In our design, we use flexible pavement, we not use a rigid pavement. Okay. Okay, now I explain the layers of the road one by one. Okay, from the bottom lah. I start from the bottom. Okay, first is we use 50 millimeter of sand, that followed by 100 millimeter kasharan, then 50 millimeter of remix, and the final layer is 30 millimeter of wearing course. Okay, the road is 8 meter total wide and also two-way road with proper road signs. Okay, which means the total wide of the road is 8 meter. So for the single way is 4 meter wide, and also we design with the proper road sign, so it can make easy or make helpful to the road users. Okay, now I move to the next slide. Okay, this is a Q&A section. Okay, if you ask what are the skills that I learned from this mini project, definitely I will say that uh, I I learned, or the skill that I learned is how to use the AutoCAD software. Actually, before this, I never used the AutoCAD software so frequently. So from this mini project, I learned. I mean, I used so many times to draw the all the or some of the drawings. So from that, I can learn some new skills and the new knowledge from the AutoCAD. Okay, the second, sorry, the knowledge that I learned from this mini project was uh, I learned how to convert the structure plan to a AutoCAD drawing with a suitable scale. First, we the design the structure with the actual scale. Then we try to convert it to a AutoCAD drawing. So from that I can get the knowledge how to convert the real design to a real design scale to a AutoCAD or drawing scale. Okay. Lastly, my opinion about this course of subject is it actually help us to understand easily any structure details by looking a drawing on site, which means, for example, if we go for work on site, they will give some drawing about the structure. Okay, uh, it's not a it's not anything lah. Beam drawing, column, bridge, anything. So from that we can, after we see the details about the drawing, we can easily understand what what's actually got in the drawing. So that the important. Okay, the skill is we already learn from this course. That is my opinion for this course. Okay, that's all from my part. Next, my friend will continue.
Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is HAKIMI bin IBRAHIM. My matrix number 201201882 from course RK01. So today I want to present a symbol of water supply, sewage and drainage in our mini project plan. So this is our plan for water supply, sewage and drainage. And this is plan for pipe and any equipment. So this is legend in this plan. We have septic tank, sink drain, waste pipe, soil pipe, clean out, water supply pipe, manhole, RC drain, water tank and hose bib. So we go to the first septic tank. What is septic tank? Septic tank is an underground chamber made for concrete through which is domestic wastewater sewage flows for basic treatment. Our septic tank can hold 4,000 liters. From our plan, we put our septic tank in this here. In this, we can see at our plan. So next, sink drain. The sink drain is used to drain the wastewater to the manhole with using our waste pipe. So our sink drain at the sink in the laboratory. So the sink drain will drain the water to the we go to the toilet. In the toilet we have a sink also and the wastewater and go to the manhole. Second, we have a waste pipe. This pipe used to drain the water for sink in toilet wastewater to the manhole. So the waste pipe We connect from this from the sink drain to the toilet and go to the main hole. Soil pipe. The soil pipe are used for drain the sewage. In our plan, the soil pipe connect with toilet to the main hole, and this soil pipe will carry to the septic tank. So the soil pipe will carry from toilet to the septic to the main hole and go to the through the septic tank, which is the soil pipe is carrying sewage water from the toilet. Next, we go to clean out. Clean out is a cleaning college inside pipe. Clean out usually placed at the main hole. So clean out actually this clean out will fan. Legend for this plan. So we have exhaust fan, air conditioner, and spotlight. Exhaust fan using for make to the remove the heat out of the laboratory and make the laboratory in a good temperature, which is the function of exhaust fan. We put in this and this with the mirror it, and we used to give a good temperature. The exhaust we remove the heat out from the laboratory. Air conditioner. Air conditioner is used to give a cool and comfortable air at the room. In our layout, we use air conditioner at the office room. So mostly the air conditioner in our plan we use at the admission office, around for air conditioner. Next, we go to spotlight. Spotlight are used to give lighting inside the laboratory. So in the laboratory we use spotlight to make a light in this laboratory, which is more brightness than another lamp. So we go to the symbol of electrical. Plan for electrical item. This is plan for electrical item. So this, you can see that we have a double socket, ceiling light, triple gang switch, and main powered switch. Double socket. This component is to use when some additional equipment or any machinery that need electrical supply. We put the double socket in this lab. Around one lab we have two double socket. Next, we go to ceiling light. Ceiling light is using to give a good lighting at office and make some decoration to the office. So this is the ceiling light looks like, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at the machinery office in our plan. So this is the symbol for the ceiling light. We go to main power switch. Main power switch is to be main power to all electrical component, all this building, and control to the voltage that supply. So this is the purpose for the main power switch. For the symbol we in our plan is main switch. We put in the legend. So the main power switch actually we put in inside the office. Next, we go triple gang switch. Triple gang switch using to open some electrical component, and it's located at the good place that can be easily use the electrical component. And this switch have a 3-off switch. So we have one lab we have 6 off switch, which is which is 2 triple gang switch. So for spotlight and exhaust fan.
Okay, the bill of quantity. There are 21 items with description, quantity, rate and amount. And first one, the brick wall, 5 pallet, and with rate and amount. The second one, plastering work. Third, door and window, partitioner wall, floor tiles and roof. And the rate is mentioned here and the amount also. Same, the continuous of the bill of quantity, roller shutter, sink drain, septic tank, water tank, hose bib, RC drain, and double socket ceiling light, triple gain switch, main power switch, exhaust fan, air conditioner, spotlight. We mentioned the size and the unit price, and the total price is RM 25,585. Conclusion. Last but not least, the building site is where an architect can procure information about a structure project. The development cycles of column, beam and slab have been educated, making grade correspond with individuals like customer, laborers and so forth have been learned too. During the venture work, unforeseen issues were happening and how to defeat that issue in that circumstance have been educated. By applying hypothetical and useful information in building sites, the genuine designing encounters have been procured.